How to insert hyperlinks in Google Sheets. So type any text here. To insert the link, select it, this cell, right click on it. Then format. And in the insert, click on link. Also you can use the shortcut. You can select any worksheet or any web address or any file from your laptop or computer. To insert hyperlink for any website, type here and select address for YouTube and same select here this cell, right click on it, insert and link. Now enter the address for that particular address and click on it. Now once you click, so it will redirect you. So this way you can link or hyperlink in Excel in Google Sheet. Select it, then insert. You can use the shortcut Ctrl K or click here link. Now search. Copy this address and paste here. Then apply. Thanks for watching.